Welcome to Wacky Wednesdays, where everyone has a chance to show off their car mods. And here's this week's winner.
Hello everyone, this is my 2008 Saturn Sky Redline. I'm going to give you a little walk around and show you all the mods that I've done on this thing so far. We'll start with the front. I have done a 4-piece billet grille, and I also have the RK Sport hood with a functioning air ram on it. The color, this is a wrap on this car. I wanted something a little different, and the original color is black underneath it. I was in the mood to change the color up, and I figured, well, we'll give this a shot, and I'm actually pleasantly happy with how it turned out. It does give it more of a stealthy look compared to the gloss black that I do have. It has been lowered 1.5 inches with iBox springs all the way around. 20-inch Avenue wheels with a 255/30/20 Goodyear on here. Well, I've done a lot on this. The first thing that I did was these fenders here on the side with this little vent. A lot of cars like the Corvette and this one, they don't have an actually functioning vent, so I took the plastic insert out, installed a mesh grill behind it, and hopefully make it a little bit more of a heat extractor for the motor. I've also shaved the door handles on this car. Now, it's gonna get a little windy, I'm sorry about that. It is Texas, and it does get windy down here. Here's my remote, and I'm gonna press button number 1. And I just want the door open up just enough so I can get into it. I don't want it to fly open because I'm always worried about, you know, banging a car next to me when this is parked. And I'll show you how that worked. Just like so, and just... Now, everyone's asked me, what do I do if I'm driving the vehicle and I have, you know, the battery going on me? Well, I do have a little bit of a hidden pulley system hidden in here somewhere. I'm not going to show everyone where it's at, just for the sake of someone seeing the car and actually seeing the video. But I do have a backup plan just in case the battery does go dead. On the rear of the vehicle, I have shaved off the XM antenna on the trunk. Saturn emblem that used to be below the third brake light, I have also shaved that off as well and smoothed the bumper. I installed some diffusers, those little blades down there, to kind of give it a cool sporty look. I think it looks fantastic on the rear. And on this side as well, I have also shaved off the FM antenna that used to be on this rear quarter panel. And then obviously you can tell that I have painted the taillights. Yes, it's illegal, but I think it looks fantastic on the car. Interior, I have installed Cypher racing seats, brand new carpeting, and I've installed a Pioneer radio in here. Now in this car, there isn't really much of a trunk, so I only have one 10-inch in here. The top down, you can only maybe carry a bit, you know, 2 grocery bags or maybe 2 12-packs of soda. That's really about it. Even with the top up, there isn't any much room in these cars. There really doesn't have much of a reason to have a trunk on these things. So we'll give this a close. I do have some motor work. This does have the 3-inch MagnaFlow exhaust, a Solo high-performance catalytic converter. This also has a ZZP quick shift kit. It is a little dusty in here, unfortunately. I have had it in storage sitting in the garage for a while, so I apologize for how it looks in here. The motor inside, I do have a K&N Typhoon intake. It does have the charger pipes on here from ZZP, and then it has a Han intercooler, racing intercooler, and then it also has the General Motors LNF tune on here. I have to admit, it is a very peppy little car. Now we'll give it a little rev to show everyone what it sounds like. I do hope that you like the little tour of the car. It is a very unique car, Saturn only made, one sports car, and this is it. And that's why I decided to give it a little bit of a customize to see what I could actually do with this car. I think it turned out really nice, and I'm always working on this car to see what else I can do to it. So, thank you very much.
Well, that was this week's video, and to have your car mod shown on my channel here, check this out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.